Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The 100 Season 7, Episode 15. Before beginning, please stay with me, even if it's just for some minutes, you know, just 1 or 2 minutes of this intro, stay with me. I warned you during the intro of the last episode, but it seems that you didn't watch it, so I'm saying it again. If you are there to watch a reaction video about someone who is still loving the show, who is still watching it, you know, enjoying it, being excited about it, and accepting what is happening during this final season, you're at the wrong place. I'm not saying it to be rough, because some of you thought that I was saying it and I was reacting like that just to be rough, just to be annoying, you know, just to be like, oh, I don't like this show, you know, that was an attitude for you. It's not the case. I'm really like that. I'm really feeling it like that now. I'm not lying to you in this intro and also with my reactions. I don't like what the show became. You have to know that I loved this show. I loved it for years, and then, you know, after the season 5, which was not great, I had trouble, you know, to be into it, and you can watch my reaction videos about the season 6 and see that I was fighting because I was enjoying some moments so much, you know. I was really into it during some moments, and during some other moments I was like, I don't understand it. Really, the season 6, I didn't love it, but I liked it, you know. I liked some moments of it. But during this season 7, I'm sorry to say it, but I can't find something that I like. So that's why I'm like that. That's why I'm reacting like that. That's why I'm so disappointed. That's why I have trouble to be into it, to be involved into the story, but also involved with the characters, which is killing me. Because, you know, even after the season 5, even when I was not loving the show anymore, I was still loving the characters, and I was still watching the show for the characters, because I loved them, because I wanted to know what was gonna happen to them. But they lost me during this season 7. They really lost me. They really but they really killed, destroyed all of the love that I had for these characters, because I can't recognize them anymore. I can't recognize their actions, their emotions, their feelings. I have trouble to be connected with them, to feel for them, to care for them, to be with them. I'm watching them really like a viewer, you know. I'm just watching them, and if you know me, if you know how I'm reacting to other shows that I love, you know that it's not normal. You know that usually I'm involved with the characters, I'm passionate, and I'm really with them, and I'm crying with them, I'm laughing with them. But right there, I can't. And I said it to you, I warned you about it, and still you were mad in the comments about how I reacted. I'm saying it again, I'm honest with you, don't watch my reaction videos if you want someone who still loves the show, who is still involved into the show. You know, I'm not taking you by surprise with my reactions. I'm really saying it to you directly, and I'm not judging you, you know. Maybe you thought that I was judging you, that I was judging fans who are still in love with the show. It's not the case. I can understand you. I can understand the fact that you are still in love with the show and that you don't want to watch someone who doesn't love the show anymore and who is reacting like that. I can understand that totally, and that's why I'm warning you, because I don't want you to waste your time, you know, watching my reaction videos, because I know that it's not gonna please you. Again, I'm not taking you by surprise, and again, I'm not saying it to be rough, I'm saying it to warn you and to tell you, go somewhere else. You can find plenty of reactors of the 100 on YouTube, and I'm sure that you can find one who is still involved into the show, who is still loving this show. So I'm warning you, And if you are still watching my reaction videos, even if you love the show and you know that I don't love it anymore and that I'm gonna react maybe, you know, in a negative way, I mean, I can't... It's your choice, you know. I warned you, I did my job. You want to hurt you just want to take that time to be angry at me, you want to troll, and that's your issue, that's your choice, and I'm not gonna waste time, you know, to justify myself again on the comments like I did during the last episode. I did it, you know, I justified myself during the comments of the last episode because I had the impression also that I didn't talk enough during the intro about my mood, about how I was feeling about the show, and maybe, yes, maybe you thought that I was rough, you know, that I was aggressive, that I was, you know, playing an attitude and all, but it was not the case. And I'm not gonna change the way that I'm gonna react to the show. I'm gonna react honestly, and if something happened and I don't like that, I'm gonna say it. If something happened which is illogical, I'm gonna say it. If I want to lose, even if it's a moving moment, I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna, you know, lie to you just to please fans on the comments and all. I'm not like that. After all of this intro, now you can tell me why are you still watching the show if you are not loving it anymore. I'm watching it because I want to know the end, for sure. I'm gonna watch it no matter what, so why not reacting to it? Because I know that a lot of fans are like me, angry about this final season, really disappointed about it, and I know that a lot of persons, a lot of fans want to talk about it, want to talk about this anger, want to talk about this disappointment. And it's not because we love to talk bad about something, it's because of the fact that we involved ourselves so much into this show, we involved our feelings, our time, our energy so much into this show that it's difficult, you know, to accept what is happening, and we want to say it because we don't want the writers to be like, okay, no one is talking bad about the show, about that final season, so it's great. No. You have to know that this is so wrong and you have to know it, and loudly. This is one of the worst final season that I saw about a show that I loved so much. Really, I can't tell it in another way. You know, some of the fans are comparing it to the final season of Game of Thrones. It's not my case, because at least during the final season of Game of Thrones, I had emotions, I cried, I cared about the characters. Right there, no. I don't have that connection with the characters, I don't have this, you know, I'm not involved into the show anymore, I'm not feeling things when I'm watching it, so no, this is worst for me. This final season of The 100 is worse than the final season of Game of Thrones for me. Okay, how many? Almost 10 minutes to warn you, so now don't tell me in the comments that I'm so bad, you know, and that I'm so stupid, and that, you know, my anger is not justified, and that I'm so annoying and all. I warned you! I took 10 minutes to warn you about this. You're still watching my reaction video. It's your issue, you know, you have an issue with watching things that you know that you're not gonna like. That's your issue. About really what is happening during the show, 2 more episodes, 2 last episodes, and I really don't know how they can end all of what they created in just 2 episodes, which is making me mad in advance, because I'm feeling, you know, something like they're not gonna explain everything, they're not gonna make an end for everything, and maybe they're gonna use the spin-off to justify things like, okay, the answer is that, you don't understand it? Don't worry, we have a spin-off for that. That would be pretty easy, that would be so lame, that would be fucking annoying, and even more with the fact that I'm not gonna watch the spin-off because I don't want to lose and give, you know, any more of my time, my energy, and also some credit to a show made by writers and producers who are mistreating so much casting, characters, their own show, and their fans so badly for years, since years. No, I don't want anyone to split on my face again like that. I don't care. I'm not gonna watch it. That's it, you know. This final season, these 2 final episodes are gonna be the end, the final goodbye for me and the universe of the 100. I don't want to watch anything else about it anymore. So yes, about what is gonna happen during these 2 final episodes, I don't know, and I'm pretty anxious and I'm pretty, you know, not believing that they're gonna make a good end, not because of the fact that I don't love the show anymore, but really in a logical, you know, and in a objective way, with all of what they created and all of what they need to close, you know, to answer to, you know, all of the Shededa situation, all of the Shepherd situation, all of this cult, you know, all of what is connected to the Shepherd, the last war, but also the 100, you know, our team, our guys, Maddie, you know, all of that, but also all of the developments and end that each characters deserve, like Clark, you know, she needs to have a real end, to have a real end for her character, for all of the issues that she has, you know, since years, since seasons, but also Murphy, also Emory, also Raven, who suffered so much since seasons. All of them, they need to have a closure, and they can't do all of that. Closure for the narrative arcs, closure for the development of the characters. Octavia, she was, you know, the character since the beginning who, for me, was developed the most. Was it English? You got me, but what they are doing with her during this season, it's not the end, you know. She needs to have something at the end, something, not something else, you know, not something different, but really a closure, really something to end that. All of that, all of what they need to do, just 2 episodes to do it, that's not enough. And that's why also I'm so angry with this season, because for me, if they wouldn't have created all of this story about the Shepherd, about the different planets, and about, you know, the last war, if they wouldn't have created that, they could have had the time to close everything else. They could have had the time to write real development for the characters, real end for the characters, but also real end and closures for each narrative arcs that they have for seasons, but also sometimes since the beginning. They could have had that time, but they didn't have it because they lost themselves with this Shepherd last war thing, you know. That was too much. I know that it was to introduce the spin-off. Really, they lost themselves during this final season, in my opinion, because of the spin-off. They wanted to create that spin-off with that story. They lost the 100 by doing that, you know, by creating all of these stories for the spin-off. To prepare that, they lost the 100. They lost what the 100 is, you know, the DNA of the show. They lost it. Okay, let's go now. How many times do we need to see that? That scene, you know, at the end of the last episode was really like Game of Thrones, but I think that they're not dead. Hi, baby. I said it. Maybe she's gonna... Okay, she's not dead. You know, after her development during this season, I was scared that maybe she would... Tell me that you're okay, my dear. think?
Only the second pills for me. We're gonna need an inside man.
You're going together. Why not? You're the main characters of this show. I love the fact that you're going together.
Jonathan disappeared right away. Why isn't this working?
Mm?
Maybe somebody has to be waiting at Bardo to pull you through.
Claire! She's desperate. Maddie. I mean, I understand her reasons, but... Bellamy died for nothing!
I know it looks scary, but don't worry, it won't hurt. Pain interferes.
Levitt is gonna do that?
It's not too bad.
Good.
It's gonna come. Nah! Feeling great, Maddie?
Gabriel said Jordan studied the text.
Don't say it!
You think it's a ward, but it's actually a test someone has to take.
I'm sorry, but I find it unlikely that a boy who studied the text once.
Is that clever or you're that stupid? Or maybe a liar?
So, if Jordan is right, and it is a test of a single individual, then that's a good thing.
Why do I have trouble to believe it?
Maddie's people are no doubt worried about her, but she'll be with them soon enough. For now, leave them there.
Levitt heard that. Can he help?
Yeah. System malfunction. No, sir. Just give me a moment. Just focus on the draw.
I'm not doing this for you. I'm doing this to save my friends. My family.
Thank you, Maddie.
Very brave.
You're very annoying.
Sir, this particular memory is not registering in any of the areas that memories are usually stored.
Which means...
It's extremely dangerous, and I've never done that before.
Okay, now
I trust you.
you're gonna hurt her.
Mankind.
For you! And your stupidity. So far, nothing illogical.
Killing Kara can change anything. He can't chase us if he's dead.
Why didn't you do that? Add this logic for Shelida in Draw? Because of the writers.
And then we transcend over the light.
It's a beautiful idea, but fighting is not how we get there.
Disciples have been studying the Bardo text for over 1,000 years. You really think you know better?
Why now you're doubting, of him? You didn't do it during...
That red sun toxin showed me something.
That we didn't see?
And then I read the Bardo text.
Really, like, the rabbit... Oh!
Step in human
A reveal coming from nowhere.
I know there's a purpose to everything, and we don't find out what it is by killing each other in another war. Just wish I could have told Melanie.
How dare you talking about him? Really, I can't. Saying stuff like that. Bellamy is dead because you killed him. You could have shot him right there, in the arm and all, but you killed him.
All I ever did was try to save people while putting yourself in danger.
What?
She's doing what I did. This is how my mom felt. Every time. Because I feel like I can't get enough air.
I see, the parallel that they are trying to do, and why not, but too quick, too much.
I killed Melanie to protect her from the disciples. Not so she could turn herself in.
Don't tell us about it.
Everyone I love dies. I lose Maddie too. I'll have nothing.
So,
Be nothing.
oh, I don't like that. Like, she's ready to die, she's ready to kill herself, to sacrifice herself, and that's it, Clark is gonna die. Emory?
You hated playing primes.
Yeah, but you loved it.
I swear, if you die, Emory. I mean, I just said that Clark was gonna die, but we were prepared for that.
I mattered.
Emory?
You always act.
No.
can't do surgery after an attack. I need an actual surgical theater, sterile equipment, medicine. I need to get to Sanctum. Right now, you are the priority. Damn right.
Thank you, Raven.
We have one problem. I couldn't find stuff.
I love all of that, you know, for Emory. That's pretty logic, you know, that they're acting like that. And our 2 episodes, really, we only have 2 episodes, and we are losing time, you know, to resolve everything that we need to resolve. I have the impression that we are losing time. I know that this is important, and I want that for Emory, really, but
You are more important than any other person in this universe. Murphy, I need to repack this.
I swear, if she's dying... Oh, you're succeeding, Maddie.
No excuses.
You just want... Yes. You're not looking for any answer. She just leave it. So?
Becca went to the other side. She said he's not ready.
E?
I'm done helping you.
I've spent centuries preparing us, proving us.
But not you, you didn't evolve.
That was our time.
I said no!
Okay, now they're gonna torture
So we need to do this thing. You're dismissed.
Why not, in fact? Be dismissed so you can bring, you know, Octavia and Clark.
Are you trying to kill yourself? For the good.
Go for it yourself.
No! Like your mother. But really, for the writers to write it like that.
I just came from the shop.